Prove that the portion of tangent to an ellipse intercepted between the axes is minimum when its length is a plus b, where a and b are semi-axis. Of the ellipse. Let parametric point or the point of contact of tangent is a cos phi, comma b sin phi. It is parametric point of an ellipse. Let equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal 1. Equation of tangent at point x1, y1 of an ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal 1. The value of x1 is a cos phi and y1 is b sin phi. Then x into a cos phi by a square plus y into b sin phi by b square equal 1. Cancel out, and we have x by cos phi can be written as a sec phi, 1 by sec phi, and sin phi is 1 by cosec phi, means y by b cosec phi. Equal 1. Then intercept, it is in intercept form, means x by a plus y by b equal 1. It means intercept on x-axis is a sec phi, or this point is a sec phi, 0, and OA is a sec phi. Similarly, intercept on y-axis is b cosec phi, means OB is b cosec phi, and this point is 0, and we have to prove that the portion of tangent to an ellipse, that is AB, intercepted between the axes, that is AB, is minimum. Means we have to show that AB is minimum when its length is a plus b. Let AB equal L, then AB equal capital D, then D equal distance between AB, distance between 2 points, x2 minus x1 square y2 minus y1 square, means it is distance between a sec phi, 0 and 0, b cosec phi. Squaring both sides, we have d square equal a square sec square phi plus b square cosec square phi. Let d square equal u. We have u equal a square sec square phi plus b square cosec square phi. Now differentiate it with respect to phi. We have du by d phi is equal a square to sec phi. Differentiation of sec phi is sec phi tan phi, means sec square tan phi. It is 2b square cosec phi, and differentiation of cosec phi is minus cosec phi and cot phi. Now we have du by d phi is equal to a square sec square phi tan phi to b square cosec square phi cot phi. Now further differentiate with respect to phi, we have d2u by d phi square is equal to a square product rule sec square phi into differentiation of tan phi, which is sec square phi, plus 2a square tan phi, and differentiation of sec square is 2 sec phi into sec phi tan phi, means it is tan square and tan phi 2 sec phi tan phi means sec square, and it becomes 4. Now minus 2b square cosec square phi differentiation of cot phi is minus cosec square phi, means minus into minus plus cosec square phi minus 2b square cot phi, and differentiation of cosec square phi 2 cosec phi into cosec phi cot phi, means it becomes 2 into 2 4 minus cosec phi cot phi means it is positive, and cot square phi cosec square phi. Now we have for maxima and minima du by d phi is equal 0. Then we have 2a square sec square phi tan phi minus 2b square cosec square phi cot phi is equal 0. We have a square sec square phi tan phi equal b square cosec square phi cot phi. Now sec square can be written as 1 by cos and cosec square 1 by sin. Also cot can be written as 1 by tan. Then we have tan phi into cot, and cot equal 1 by tan, tan into tan square phi. Cosec square is 1 by sin square, sec square is 1 by cos square, then sin square by cos square, it is tan square. Tan square into tan square, tan to the power 4 phi equal p square by a square. At tan square phi equal b square by a square, at tan square phi equal b square by a square, clearly the value of d2u by d phi square is positive, because if we put tan square phi in this term, means sec square phi can be written as 1 plus tan square phi, it is positive. Tan square phi is b square by a square, sec square can be written as 1 plus tan square, means tan square, the value of tan square is b square by a square, it is also positive. Cosec square is 1 plus cot square, value of cot square is a square by b square, because tan square phi is reciprocal of cot square. Cosec square is also 1 plus cot square, value of cot square is a square by b square. Similarly, cot square phi is a square by b square, cosec square 1 plus cot square. Value of cot square is a square by b square. Then at tan square phi equal b square by a square, d2 u by d phi square is positive. Now we have to find the value of at tan square phi. U is minimum. This implies D is also minimum. Sorry, it is tan to the power 4 phi equal b square by a square. Since tan to the power 4 phi equal b square by a square, then tan square phi is equal b by a. We have d equal square root a square sec square phi plus b square cosec square phi. Now change sec and cosec phi in tan and cot form. Means sec square phi can be written as 1 plus tan square phi, and cosec square phi can be written as 1 plus cot square phi. Put the value of tan phi and cot phi. We have a square 1 plus tan square phi is b by a plus b square cot phi is a by b. Now open the bracket. We have a square plus ab plus b square plus ab, then d equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is a plus b whole square. Then value of d is a plus b.